It's time for some neighborly advice from NP Storage in Knoxville. Neighbors prefer us for self-storage solutions. And it's time to pack away all those beautiful decorations. But how do you store them properly so they stay safe and ready for next year? Don't worry, we've got you covered with the best tips to pack and store your Christmas decorations efficiently and carefully. Storing decorations the right way not only helps them last longer, but it also saves you time and stress when it's time to decorate next holiday season. Let's start with a few basic principles. Before you begin packing, take a moment to sort through your decorations. It's the perfect opportunity to declutter and get rid of broken or outdated items. Only keep the decorations that bring joy and are still in good condition. This makes your packing more organized and leaves room for new additions next year. Choose storage containers that are sturdy, stackable, and ideally clear so you can see what's inside. Plastic bins with tight-fitting lids are a great option, especially for fragile items. For ornaments, you can use specialized ornament boxes that protect each piece individually. This will keep them from getting damaged during the off-season. Fragile items like glass ornaments or delicate figurines should be wrapped carefully in tissue paper, bubble wrap, or even placed in egg cartons to keep them safe. You can also use small cardboard dividers for extra protection. The more padding, the better. Christmas lights can get tangled easily, so it's important to store them neatly. Wrap them around a piece of cardboard or a light spool to avoid knots. You can also purchase specific light storage reels that make it even easier to manage. Just be sure to untangle them before packing to avoid a frustrating mess when you pull them out next year. Wreaths and garlands can lose their shape if stored improperly. Hang them up on hooks or store them in large garment bags to help maintain their form. If you're using plastic bins, make sure there's enough space for them to lie flat without getting squashed. Labeling your storage bins is a small step that makes a huge difference. Write what's inside each container so you don't have to dig through them all when it's time to decorate again. A simple label like lights or ornaments can save you a lot of time and hassle next year. Finally, it's important to store your decorations in a cool, dry place. Avoid areas with extreme temperatures or humidity, like attics or basements that may be prone to moisture. A climate-controlled storage unit at NP Storage is ideal for keeping everything in good condition. Packing away your decorations doesn't have to be a chore. Get your family or friends involved and make it a fun tradition. Play some holiday music, enjoy some snacks, and you'll be ready for next year in no time. With these tips, your Christmas decorations will stay safe and ready for next year. So, take the time to pack them right, and you'll enjoy a stress-free holiday season every year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more organization tips from your neighbors at NP Storage.